Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, leather wrapped shift knob, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5980A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.